Alright, today I have the Iottie iTap Magnetic 2 smartphone car mount that I'm going to be unboxing. If you look on the box that I have right here, you have the Iottie smartphone car mount, and at the bottom it says that rare earth magnet. Okay, so it attaches to the phone via magnetism. Did I say that right? Maybe I got it wrong. It doesn't matter, right? And on the bottom, there is a suction cup. So if I flip the box to the side, you'll see that the phone is adhered to the dashboard via suction cup and then magnet on the back of the phone right here, which I'm going to be demonstrating shortly. On the side, it says magnetic mount support magnetic. The iTap Magnetic 2 Dash and Windshield Mount is a compact and powerful mounting solution designed to hold your smartphone securely while you drive. So what it's saying is that it adheres to the windshield as well. On the side it says easy installation, superior suction strength, strong magnetic hold. So it believes there's something that you put on the back of the phone for it to adhere magnetically. And then right here it says restore sticky gel by rinsing and drying suction cup. So there's some sort of sticky gel that's on the bottom of this. I will find that out shortly. But let's go ahead and open the box up. On this side it shows that you can have it mounted to the side to make it look totally different. So inside, I'm just going to go ahead and take this, peel this backwards, and then take that, peel that backwards, and open this up. And then comes out quite easily. And so here I have this right here. A lot of things fell out. So let me go ahead and pick it up really quickly. So in here, you have a couple of things. You have the actual, here's a suction cup, and supposedly if I peel this off, it's supposed to be sticky. And it is indeed sticky. I gave instructions on how to adhere it back. And this right here, I want to say is some sort of, oh, this is 3M. So in order for it to have a suction pretty well, if you can look closely at this right here shows that it's not a completely flat, level surface. There's actually some grooves in here, which would prevent the suction cup from adhering to it properly. Alright, so this is the mount that I tap onto it. I'm going to stick this as a 3M. I'm actually going to put this on the windshield or the dashboard so this can stick to it pretty well. So here is that part right there. And then here are magnets right here that actually go on the back of the phone that you adhere to it. I believe this says inner plate used between case and device. Alright, so I'm going to use this between the case and the device. I wonder if this is going to affect my wireless charging at all, but we'll see. So you take this off and then you put this between the device and your case. It says right here, use outer plate, use outside of device or case. So this is one that you use between case and device. And this one is for using outside of the case or device. Now, some people may use one or the other because of the wireless charging. So say, for instance, this is outside of the case. You can simply take off the case and put it on. This one right here, I'm guessing you can do the same thing, but this is a larger area. But either way, you have two of these, and it says, what is this right here? It says, place before metal plate. Place before metal plate. I'm not exactly sure what that means. We'll have to place before metal. Peel here. So I guess this is what goes on the metal plate. So this is what is used to adhere the metal plate to your phone or case. Makes sense. All right, so you have those there. And then I'm going to take a look at this right here. And what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to mount this on to the this right here before I take off this 3M and mount it onto my dashboard. So water rinse, you can make it sticky again by water rinse, so they say. It says use this, and so if you can see right here, the metal plate sticks to the back of this, and I wonder, yes, it sticks to it pretty well. All right, so I'm gonna do this. I'm not gonna actually put this onto my phone because I'm actually using my phone at the moment, and then, but I am, however, gonna adhere this. So I'm going to take this off. So it's sticky right here. And when you're applying it, after you've adhered it to this right here, you press down, and this gives it a little bit more suction to go along with the stickiness that is on here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to place this on here, right where I want it. Center it all up. And once I have that, I'm just going to go ahead and use the suction, pressing down on that. See that? And then once you have your phone on here, you can put it there. And I'm not going to do this right now, but this has the suction on the bottom for some reason. So when I'm adhering it, you want to make sure that this is up and placing it down on your flat surface. So you take this down, and you know what? I might as well just go ahead and apply it to my dashboard. So I'm going to take this peel off. I'll peel this off. Get in there a little bit. This is ready. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this onto my dashboard to where I want it to be at. So I'm going to go ahead and give me a moment. Let me adjust my camera. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this, and I'm going to put this exactly where I want it, getting it ready for me to actually apply it to be used. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it where I want it. I'm going to put it like perhaps right there. Yes. Or right here. I'm going to put it right here. Or maybe right here. But I'm going to put it right here. Or right here. I'm going to put it dead in the center right here. So I'm going to go right here and put it right there. And then I'm going to actually come around here, and I'm going to use the suction thing. Actually, it's not sticking to that. Put it right there. Come around here, use the suction thing. And it doesn't work for some reason. Maybe a different flat surface. There, and push the thing down, and voila. And there you have it. You can adjust it and whatnot. And that is the Iottie smartphone stand right here for your mount for your car. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.